Yeah, a beautiful Monday morning after a super Sunday yesterday, where in UFC Khabib beat Justin. Then we had Frankie winning in MotoGP, and then of course who else wins Formula One? Lewis didn't ride yesterday, so we decided to come out for a ride today, and absolutely awesome, beautiful place. Hello, I am Bosky, and you're watching the Art of Unwinding channel. To me, riding is like meditation, and it takes discipline and practice to enjoy the benefits. Each of us engage in leisure motorcycling for one core purpose, and that is to relax and enjoy the ride. However, often I see many riders exhausted halfway through the day. Also, after hours on the bike, it is not uncommon to see riders dismount immediately, dump their riding gear, and flop onto the hotel lobby's sofa, for example. I remember being this dog tired every time during my early days as a motorcycle tourer, and over the years, I have learned how to manage riding stress and fatigue. So, if you're finding long trips tiring, if you feel exhausted at the end of the day, and if all you wish to do is down a few drinks, eat, and sleep, here are 9 pointers that can help you enjoy the trip. Number 1. Remember to breathe at all times. It is common for riders to unconsciously hold their breath while riding on tough roads. This commonly happens when you are attacking corners at speed, or going fast on straights, or tackling muddy or slippery terrain, or even when navigating through fast moving traffic. Holding your breath restricts the flow of oxygen to the brain, and it affects your vision and judgment. So do 5 to 7 minutes of breathing exercises before mounting on the motorcycle for a long ride. This will help you relax and start with a clear mind and relaxed body. And most importantly, remember to breathe through your nose. Number 2. Enjoy the scenery. Do not forget to savor the picturesque surroundings on your route. Glance at the rustic huts, grazing cows, lush farmlands, rolling hills. But do this only when riding at a safe speed. Remember, enjoying the sights, smells, and sounds of the countryside is a huge relaxant. Number 3. Wear the right gear. This is the most important aspect that contributes to comfort, safety, and endurance. Often we see riders underdressed, and equally often we see riders overdressed. When on the road for long hours, you can be faced with a cold morning, a hot and sunny midday, and sometimes a wet and windy afternoon. So when it comes to gear, be aware and be prepared. Since this is an important, extensive, and much debated topic, I will expand it in another video. Number 4. Save your butt. Many riders tend to forget that the motorbike has more room. Most motorbikes are designed for 2 passengers, and when riding solo, this would allow you to move either to the front or the rear section of the seat. This works well like a little stretching exercise, and it can relieve your bottom from muscle pain or suffering from numb ass. Number 5. Keep your feet happy. The position of your feet on the brake and clutch pegs affects your riding comfort. Avoid leaving your feet on the pegs in the same position for long hours, as this can result in leg cramps. Make it a habit to move the feet on the pegs every now and then, and depending on the motorcycle, you may even stand up on the pegs for a couple of minutes too. But remember, when standing, you cannot see what's coming up behind you unless you adjust the rear view mirrors. Number 6. Enjoy the stops. When you feel it's time for a toilet break, pull over. When you feel hungry, pull over. When you see a beautiful scenery, pull over and enjoy it. When you're sleepy, pull over and take a quick nap. Give yourself a break. Remember, the journey is the destination. Number 7. Drink water regularly. Your body needs to be hydrated in order to function at its optimal level. If there isn't enough liquid in your body, essential functions like circulation don't go as smoothly as they should. Your organs won't get the nutrients they need, and your body will perform its job less efficiently. Dehydration can also affect your mood. If you haven't been drinking enough water, you can feel tired, cranky, or irritable. Hydration is important for thinking clearly. If you are dehydrated, your reactions can suffer too. Remember that your body loses water all day and you should replace water continuously throughout the day. Number 8. Eat light. A heavy meal will only slow you down because the body is going to use its energy to process and digest all the food you have eaten. So there is a good chance that you may feel drowsy shortly after a heavy meal. It is better to have light snacks whenever you stop rather than a heavy breakfast or a lavish lunch. Avoid carbonated energy drinks, spicy food, protein bars, and junk food. Eat healthy. Number 9. Protect your hearing. Let's accept the fact that riding is noisy. And I'm not talking about the exhaust noise. We will save this discussion for another video. Wind noise can cause fatigue and hearing loss over years of constant exposure to it. While I do not recommend earplugs because they block out too much of the noise, I strongly suggest that you use cotton. Have a small pack of cotton in a Ziploc pouch and roll up a ball into your ears. It will cut out the hissing and whooshing noise of the wind while ensuring that you can still hear honking and the traffic noises. Note that this is the single most effective step to reduce fatigue. And so that's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed the video and my tips. If you did, please click the like button and consider subscribing. Hope to see you again soon. Till then, this is Bosky signing off and wishing you happy and safe motoring.